In this video, I'll show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. First, leave any game you're currently playing. Next, open the Roblox app, tap More, then go to Settings and open Account Info. If you're using the Roblox website, click the gear icon and open Settings. In the Account Info section, select Continue with Selfie. If you don't see this option, tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your account, Roblox may ask you to verify your age with a selfie or a valid ID. Follow the prompts to verify your age. Once the process is complete, Roblox will estimate your age. Voice chat is generally available only for accounts that are verified as being 13 years old or older. After your age has been verified, return to Settings and open Privacy and Content Restrictions. Go to Communication Settings and enable Experience Chat or Voice Chat if the option is available. Now, join a Roblox game that supports voice chat. If prompted, allow Roblox to access your microphone. Once you're in the game, click the microphone or headset icon to join voice chat. And that's how you can get voice chat on Roblox.